SEB Exam browser is a very useful tool when you need to control the internet access using browsers, especially when you perform an examination using Moodle quiz. If you install SEB Exam browser, you can find that the SEB configuration tools. From this tool, you can configure many different options for the SEB browser, which will run after you provide the configuration file to the students. They click the configuration file, they can directly run the SEB browser, which is installed on their PC. There are many options you can configure in SEB exam browsers. First, general things. So let me explain it by opening up some settings I already. If you open a ready-made configuration file, so you need to give some administrator password if you like to ask a password whenever the people click whenever the people like to open this configuration file. If you set these things, this will be asked every time they like to open the access configuration file. And this is a password for when they like to finish their safe web browsers on their PC. If you like to give a control to them, you can click this one, and you can set a password for that. And many other options. You can set up many different environments for this examination. You can control the access of the local applications and the local environment. Some user interfaces and how the browser behave. And download and upload functions you can define for each configuration file. The most important thing here is exam. For each generated configuration file, that will have this browser exam key. So you will use this browser exam key on your Moodle secure exam as a exam key. So this is very important information you can copy and can use this for Moodle configuration later. And anything else that important, there are many features you can additionally control, but I will skip these details. Okay, after you made a configuration, you can save this configuration file. Okay, and with this one you can go to Moodle quiz. Suppose that this is a quiz you like to set up. Okay, and especially for SEB exam browser setup, you need to go there, edit setting, and especially for restrict access. No, not restrict. Overall feedback, common method, extra restriction on attempt. And for here, show more. And you'll be able to see this key is inserted as exactly same what you get when you generate a configuration file. So you save this configuration file and provide and distribute this configuration file. So the configured file will be distributed as a configuration file, and each file some will looks like something like here. Okay, yeah. So students supposed to click that one, and there will be connected directly to the computer using SEB web browser. This is a SEB web browser, and you can see okay, this is 4. So you can take students can take exams here. This is one of the type I like very much about Moodle quiz. After that, they can finish just asking the password because it configured that way. Okay, so this is so simple. You can just distribute this configuration file, and this configuration file can be executed calling locally installed safe exam browsers on each student's computer. Once this secure browser quiz is done, the activity result is same with normal browsers, normal quiz. So here probably you can check that how each student is doing, and you can even check that the points, and you can check how they are doing for that specific quiz, and you can even see each attempt of students. History of answering the quiz. That's the good about Moodle quiz and safe exam browsers.